Let's explore our IVR-based chatbot for financial operations and how it works. If you are using traditional IVR systems, your business users may face challenges such as lengthy menu options, limited understanding, slow responses, and no personalization for customers. We have prepared an IVR-based conversational bot that understands natural languages, gives responses in both text and audio, is multilingual, and faster with resolutions. Here's the demo so you can understand how it works.
Welcome user, I am here to assist you with all your financial queries.
Please name the loan schemes you can provide information about.
Certainly. I can provide information about the following loan schemes. 1. Personal loan scheme. 2. Home loan scheme. 3. Car loan scheme. If you need details about any of these, just let me know.
What is the home loan scheme?
Certainly. The home loan scheme offers the following features. Tenure, up to 30 years. Loan amount, up to 2 crore rupees. Interest rates range from 7.1% to 8.3%. Eligibility, applicants must have a minimum income of 30,000
What
rupee per
documents
month.
are required for the KYC
If
process?
you need more information or Certainly. For the KYC process, you need to submit the following documents. 1. Proof of identity, Aadhaar or PAN card.
Loan
2.
कैसे
Address
मिलेगा?
proof, utility bill or passport. Certainly. To apply for a personal loan, you need to meet the eligibility criteria and provide the
मुझे
required
gold loan
documents.
चाहिए.
Here's a brief. Certainly. Here are the details for the gold loan scheme. Interest rate ranges from 8% to 9.5%.
Stop using IVR the traditional way. Make a better experience for your customers. Contact us now.